have to save it on my phone. When you come, you ask if me I go leave. Hell no.
Oh gosh, the man say it's so good. He have to save it on him phone. When she forward, when she busting her, she go ask if him I go leave. Why you gonna leave? And it's so good. Boom, 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 boom. Hey, them shut that boss different. Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. You do me I say, yo, no normally get reaction them time, I don't. I lie, man. I post every single day, numerous times for the day. Unexpected. When I give no specific time, just not so post every day. Same if you subscribe and touch the bell if you're new. You see me? Now right now we have Vybz Kartel. Play our song. I was a Black Cartel in the background. Good one girl. Yeah, comment on my post after me. Pick up yourself on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram at Tyrekevlogs. Comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post. You see me? Numerous videos for the day. Don't say 40. Vybz Kartel play our song. Adiana. Rhythm. A record label. Hold on, Adiana produces. Him daughter produce that. What? Brother, you put everybody on them realize the dog. Realize that you want to say 40 people. Like up the video. Tear up the like button. Comment the fire emoji them right now. You see that? So once all Gaza fans that comment the fire emoji them right now. You're not a true Gaza fan unless you comment the fire emoji them right now. So all the people that represent for Gaza, drop the fire emoji them in the comment section. No. No. I like the video. Run! Yeah, laugh after me again. Trying to buy a new lighter. Run, June!
Every time they play our song, set the mood, make the fuck sweet.
And your daughter produce a second. Oh, I go. Every time you play our song, the what make the what sweet? What? What are you saying? Run tune.
Oh, pussy so good, me have to save it on my phone. When you come, you ask if me I go leave. Hell no.
Oh gosh, the man say it's so good. He have to save it on him phone. When she forward, when she busting her, she go ask if him I go leave. Why you gonna leave? And it's so good. Why would I leave, baby girl? People don't know what chapter ready to. They say if you don't want to do something about me pausing it, giving my reaction, what you don't click on the video for? Link to the original song will be down below in the description. Go practice for yourself. But run your own,
Girl, you are the tightest. Boom, boom. When we ever get in my life, God no. Fuck you like a whore.
Shadow, I'll be a baby. I gonna make to that song in a quarantine right now. Quarantine done. In a COVID time, we say now. The man said the tightest he ever get in him life. What you do about that? Look a girl. Cartel sing to no. Go on.
The queen, so me know you are my wife, God no. Fuck you on the reading.
Yeah.
Sucking on your teeth.
Knock her up on the rhythm, your cartel. Deal with that, them, your cartel. Make sure you know where you stand for your cartel. Deal with that on the rhythm, the cartel. Deal with that, them the right way, no cartel. Run through now, the cartel.
Mix the Magnum with the Guinness. Anything we do are our business. Fuck you on the rhythm.
Magnum and Guinness. Guinness, me not like Guinness. Me not drink Guinness. None at all. Me not like Guinness. Me too like smell of Guinness. But mix the Magnum and the Guinness. Pussy boss. Then man knock up on the read. Pussy boss. Magnum alone. Boss. Guinness. I know about that part. They can't say old man them about that. But boss. You see me? Run tune.
Sucking on your teeth. Mix the Magnum with the Guinness.
Yeah.
Anything we do are our business.
Anything you want to do, I feel your business. Me and your business, girl. Your friend them need to know what go on right this right now at the moment. You not time for you to take no Snapchat. You not time for you to post no story on Instagram. No time for you to text nobody, not even your mommy. Just tell her say, yo, me I go over cartel yard and I eat that. She need to know none else. If she want to know something, she can say she want forward too. You see me I say? Yeah. But I visit him by himself. You dig me? Not no more. You see me I say? Yeah. Me a sample, you know. Right, Jude.
Your belly slow wine by your side, but you still tip. When you do a pint, when the cocky broke, you me see it in my ear.
What? She tip on her too, I know what? Yo, I'm not even hear the lyrics them the right way because the bumbo clear rain will go right. When I say that rain, no. It is storming like a motherfucker. I'm gonna show you the view after I finish the reaction. I'll show you where I'm at. Like, this place looks damn good when it's not raining though. Run tune!
I say, I think now, baby, you come feel it. Love how you get wet.
No, hold on, fat pass. I Vybz Kartel really want them make a boy for breed of people them girl pitney in a dog. You know, so no school now keep, college them locked down, no for the work them a lay off people and think, well, let her go on America for me right now. I know about Jamaica. But I'm saying school really in session and Kartel, how much you just want full place of pitney. Eh? You want be a little newborn baby and come back next year them time yeah. John no star, go on.
You never do it by yourself. Me know your love when me choke you.
I say, I have an ex-girlfriend there, see. Brother, me you think say me a choke her, you know. But she has to choke her harder. Brother, me say, me you think say me a choke out Ross, you know. And she want me choke her till I tongue hang out her mouth. Brother, me you think say me a... And then she hold it and she yes, right there. So she see that hand me squeeze the blood clot. But dog, me not lying too. If I'm lying, I'm dying. If I'm lying, I'm dying. You see them story time I'm telling you from child. If you don't know, go check out the story time I'm gonna do. I be a true story me tell over your son and they lit the blood clot. Behave yourself for the youth. But boy, I say guy and see people like so run up on the channel dog. I don't even know. The whole Caribbean make up on yourself. Reaction boss soon. Run through.
Open up. With you here in my arms, me there on the bed, you want me. Hold me body,
You know them little cuddling thing there? Me lie down on the bed. We just done mash a rest on the baby girl. I lie down on the bed and just come over and cuddle. Naked. Then I chill for a little minute. Watch 2 TV. Then I think you drop asleep. When you feel like you want to drop asleep, I just fuck you again, man. Torture. Why? Go on!
the squeeze. Take time, wine it in. Boom, boom, so tight.
Yeah.
Baby, I'm so amazed. Do it like
You're that part there already.
every time they play our song.
Yeah, part there already.
Every time it just boom, boom. When we ever getting sucking on your titties. Fuck your
Song
body.
basically done. Yeah, me I say to people. Me not like the reaction in the rain, but they don't get that video there too no. To you guys today, because I post only 2 reactions yesterday and that's not right. 2 is a lot of videos to post in a day. And if you don't know I'm saying I work a job. I work 14 hours and I'm still post 2 videos. Tell me say that not normal. But yeah, me I say no man. I try to get that video out to you right now. I'm saying I'm showing the view. Then me I say, hold on there. I wait till my camera just for showing the view dog, but forward, I don't want to see it down. I'm showing the look of you. Oh, see it there. That good look. Alright, yeah. Alright, now fall back in my car. I don't see too much. Too much! I'm out!